In the upcoming two videos, we will talk about values formatting for numbers and dates. And these formattings doesn't change the actual value, but instead it changes the way the values are being displayed in the Excel cell. So if we take an example, 1000 and half and 0 and minus 1000 and half, by selecting these cells and going for this drop down menu, we have predefined formatting categories for our values. The default one is general, the other one is number, it add 2 decimal places, and we have others like currency, it add this dollar sign, and accounting, and these three formatting categories for dates and time. We will not use them for now. And we have percentage. It might not make sense to take the percentage for 1000, but if we have, let's say, 0.5 and we want to know the percentage for this number or formatting it as a percentage, we can either click on this percent or choose the percentage from the formatting major categories, and here we have 50%. And we also have other categories for number formattings. And if we click the Control 1, this window for cells formatting will display. And from this number window or number tab, we can have these major formatting categories with much more options. And from custom, we can see the formatting code that generate that actual format, and we can play around with these codes to make our customized formattings. And these formatting codes might be simple, like this one, dot and followed by a bunch of zeros to determine the number for decimal places, or it can be something much more complex like these ones. And we will only focus on the simpler ones. And the table we have over here, the example column, is the formatted value, and the format column is the format codes used to format the values in the example column. So the first one is simply a bunch of zeros. A bunch of zeros will determine the minimum number of digits to display the number, and the rest of the digits will be filled by zeros. So if we press Ctrl 1 and go for custom, we can see that the formatting code used to format this value over here is 5 zeros. And we can increase the number of leading zeros by add more zeros to the formatting code. And next one is a single hash, and it will display the number as is. The other one is hash comma 2 hashes or 3 hashes. It will display the number with 1,000 separator. And if we want to display a certain text, or let's say kg, if we are dealing with masses or any unit we want, we can adjust the unit name from here. So we can add hash followed by space and the name of the unit, either kg, ton, for tons, or any other symbol or unit we want. And for the last two formattings, we have this dollar sign. We can type the hash to present the position for the number, and the dollar sign to present the position for this dollar sign. If we type dollar sign, then space, then hash, then the formatting will be dollar sign followed by space and then the actual number. And we can play around with these options. We can remove the space. As we can see, the space between the dollar sign and the number removed. Or if we want the dollar sign to be displayed after the number, we can also do this by simply moving the dollar sign in front of the hash that presenting the actual number. And the last one is percentage. We can display the number as percentage by typing hash followed by percent.